Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to change the watch face of your M4 bracelet. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to change the watch face of your M4 Smart Bracelet. Alright guys, so let's just go to our FitPro application, and actually guys, it's already connected to our smart watch or to our smart bracelet. All we just have to do is go to the setting here, and as you can see there is an option here which says dial settings, so let's just tap that one. And from there, you can already see the different kinds of watch faces. So as you can see here, we have recommend and boom. You can choose many watch faces that you like, guys. So in our case, let's just click this one here. Okay, so let's click this one, synchronize, guys. So as you can see in our smart bracelet, it's already syncing. Alright guys, so it's already changed. So as you can see in our M4 Smart Bracelet, the watch face is already great, guys. Alright, so it's just easy, guys. So all you just have to do is connect your M4 Smart Bracelet to your FitPro app and click on setting here and also tap dial settings. And from there, you can already choose the watch face that you like. Okay guys, so if you have any questions guys, just comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I'll see you soon.